Hey guys, I am back. If you want to know what I've been up to, then just stay tuned. All right, guys. Well, there's been a lot of things that I have been doing to my home. Like I said, I want to be really comfortable in my home, and I was having decorating woes as far as how I want to decorate. I want to tell y'all a little bit about this batten board wall, okay? I'm finna tell y'all about it. So if y'all thinking about getting a batten board wall, listen to this. Okay guys, this is my batten board wall that I put up, and I love it. And if would I do it again? Yes, I would. But before you do a batten board wall, just know, especially if it's black, that it nicks easy. If anything fall on it, like you have anything on your side table, it nicks easy, and it collects dust like crazy. All I do with this wall is dust it. And the one thing I really don't like about it, even if you dust, you have to get a small rag or a Q-tip and get in the corners, because the dust, once you wipe the dust, it'll collect in the corners. So just know that these walls really do collect dust, and I guess with the black, it shows up more. Also, if you wipe it with a towel to get the dust off, you will see streaks, especially if you use a wet towel. You will see streaks in your paint. You're going to see the streaks. So I don't know how you're going to get that off. Maybe go back over it, or I don't know. But those are the woes with the batten board wall. Would I do it again? Yes, I would, because I absolutely love how it turned out. All right, guys. The other thing that I just purchased from Amazon, and Amazon gave me the woes about this, was a headboard. All right, guys, this is the headboard that I ordered from Amazon. I paid $97 for it, and would I buy it again? Probably not. Is it worth $97? No, it's not. But it's good for what I'm trying to do. So that's going to take me into the next thing that I want to tell you about: decorating tips. If you're trying to decorate, I would suggest to you is to have a theme. If you have a theme for your room, your bathroom, your house, then shopping will make it much easier. You only live once, and I'm gonna tell you, tomorrow's not promised to nobody. So with that said, I started making a theme. I knew that I wanted to wake up and feel like I was on vacation every day. Every day I wanted to feel really good about where I was, how I felt, everything. And I had been neglecting that, really I had. So once I came up with a theme, now each room have its own theme. Don't make that mistake thinking that your whole house have to be in one thing. For me, I wanted my bedroom to be like if I was in Jamaica or the Bahamas. We went on a trip to Jamaica, and when I woke up every morning and opened them curtains, it was a beautiful scenery, and I loved it. So I loved how the room was not all boggled down with things. You know when you go on vacation how things are, right? So I knew that that's what I was gravitating to. So I'm slowly working towards that in my room. I did a room reveal, and I'm gonna tell you another trick I did. And so you can go look at that video for the room reveal. Okay, so that is, how I wake up every morning. But also, guys, when I shop now, even though I have really conquered what I want for my room, I make sure that I shop for things that's reversible. Like if I get a comforter, it has two sides that's going to go with my thing. So I can change that out every day. Because I know my taste, what I really like, the colors I like, I can go downstairs in my front room or in my basement and get pillows off the couch, and it will go right with my theme in here. Because I know that's what I gravitate to, which has saved me a lot of money because I don't have a whole bunch of knick-knack, paddywhacks, give a dog a bone stuff just hanging around, and things like that. So when I gravitated to what I really liked and purchased what I really liked, and a lot of the things that I made, I really, really like. When I took those things away, I missed them. I brought them right back. This is the centerpiece that I made for my bathroom. I took it away, but I missed it so much that I brought it back. So some things that you make from the Dollar Tree or whatever do work. So that's how you know you really like something. Okay, fine. I went and bought me a mattress. Oh, I sleep so much better. It feels so good. This mattress feels so good. Got me a new mattress. Got me a headboard. And the reason why I picked this headboard is because it has the squares. And I have the batten board wall, which looks the same as this. So I can move this to another wall that doesn't have this on here, and the whole room will be cohesive. Now, I'm going to tell you the truth. The headboard that I made, you can go check out that video too. I made a headboard and I absolutely loved that in here. Oh, I loved it. But once again, I said, I'm going to go ahead and treat myself to a headboard. You don't want everything that you have in your home, some you made. And for some reason, it just don't have that value, So, I said, I'm going to get me a headboard. Once you get a theme for your house, my room is staycation, my patio sitting area, when I look out my window, it is a staycation. I love to go out there and read, do my computer work, watch TV. When we barbecue, it's so relaxing. And that's the area out by a garage. But you wouldn't know that that was a garage. But I can look out there and hear the birds and see the fountain and hear the water, and the ambiance out there is absolutely gorgeous. So, like I said, guys, I took the headboard that I had made. I love that headboard too. I took the headboard that I made and I repurposed it. Let me show you what I did to enhance my window covering on my patio. All right, so that's not the only thing I did. Okay, guys, when I was indecisive about, some of the things I had bought, or when I did buy something and I liked it at that time, it served its purpose at that time. So if you bought something and you liked it at that time and you used it, don't feel guilty or feel like you don't waste your money. Try to see how you can reuse that, okay? Because I do that with a lot of stuff around this house, and it just gives it new life. So with the other napkins that I had, you know what I did? I took an old outside picture that I had, it said family. And I wasn't using it. It was just, sitting up in the garage. I spent my money on it, so I didn't want to throw it away. And so I covered that with the napkins. My table chandelier. I think this is going to be pretty at night. So these lanterns are weather beaten, and you know, they stay outside. So I am going to take the same mats, and this planter is going to go from this to this. I sure did. And guys, it's the thing about it, when you really buy what you really love, it's timeless. It truly is. It's timeless. You can use it anywhere, whether it's on the inside of your home or the outside of your home. Guys, I don't have a lot of that just stuff sitting around trying to make things work. I donated things, gave things away, threw things away, and now when I walk around my home, I love it. If we're running out of toilet tissue, get down to 2 rows, I'll run to the store and get some toilet tissue. But having it just on stock and then you gotta find a place to put it, no. You should see my bathroom now. I used to be a hair junkie. I have 6 products for my hair that does everything that I would want it to do for my hair. All that other stuff, I used it up, got rid of it. Now I have so much room in my bathroom. My bathroom is, I love my bathroom. Okay guys, this is my bathroom and I absolutely love it. It's very comfortable and cozy and I love it. I have 2 comforters. Whenever this comforter go bad, I'm getting me a duvet. And I'm only going to have duvet covers because they like little sheets and they're easier to just fold up. And if you want a different look for your bedroom, just throw that sheet over that duvet and you don't have all those comforters that you got to put in deflatable storage bags and find a place for them big old chunky comforters. So when it's a wrap, it is a wrap. Or I can get a duvet cover now and put my comforter in that and have different looks for my room. And that's what I love. I can change the look of my room every day because everything that I gravitate to is reversible. Even my couch downstairs. On one side is one look, and if you flip the cushions, it's another look. Because sometimes you just need to move things around your home and you will have a brand new look. All right, guys, this is my couch, okay? This is my couch. I love my couch. So, like I was telling you guys, that my couch is reversible. So I can come down here if I'm ever tired of my couch looking this way. On one side is gold, but if I want to change it, only thing I do is flip the cushions. And now I have a different looking couch. Look at how pretty that is. And that is another decorating trick and tip that will save you money in the long run down the road, because you won't have to go and buy another piece of furniture if you can change the furniture around. Beautiful. So this is the Real Deal Holyfield channel. Well guys, let me get on out of here because I just came back from the store. And I just bought me a little tree for my my little sitting area out there. I wanted a tree and I found me a tree, you know. But yeah, I really wanted it, and it was a nice, you know, price. And when I'm done with that tree out there, I can move it in. Guys, I could talk to y'all all day. Let me let y'all go. Look, don't forget to subscribe, okay? You have reached Tap It Off with Miss R. I'm Miss R. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later.